maraming tao din nila alam yung pupuntahan nila is great suffering. So tayo, alam na natin yung kaligtasan na inaalok ni Kristo.
Baptism in water, that's like when you get submerged in water, your old sinful self dies. It's when you become born again, a new creation.
Kasi na, hindi ko may ganun eh.
So kahit konti, wala na talaga.
Ano ba?
Yeah!
Eh.
Yeah!